Okay, so this is remote control by Yueqism, Yueqism. So I'm not sure how do you pronounce it. We're gonna do a short video on the reviews on this. So, you know, we tested this out yesterday, and so far so good. So we're gonna give you a quick rerun about it. Anti-super impact. We put it together. Lights are on. It's working functionally. The only thing that you will have to put together is this bar right here, and make sure it's straight when you do it. So we're gonna test this outside. We're going.
You put the can over there. You put the can over there. Okay, thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, the heavy. Oh, really strong. Wow.